Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will presentation about some different culture. So I will compare about some culture in the one area in Indonesia and one country around the world. I choose Bali and Japan. And why I choose Bali and Japan? Because Bali is my home. There are many culture in Bali. And why Japan? Because the culture in Japan is very unique, and Japan is one country I want to visit. The first is difference in food culture between Bali and Japan. Number one is spice. Bali is rich in spice, and Japan focus more on the natural flavors of the ingredients. Number two is serving. Bali use more ground spice and Japan use more natural flavorings. And number three is culture cultural influence. Bali is influenced by Hinduism and Japan has a very unique culinary tradition. The second is cultural difference in traditional ceremonies between Bali and Japan. Number one is religion. Bali is more Hindu, while Japan is influenced by Shinto and Buddhism. Number two is cook. Ceremony in Bali include the village, while in Japan they focus more on the family and community. And number three is symbolism. The symbolism in Bali is more complex and profound, while in Japan it is simple. The third is cultural difference in social stratification between Bali and Japan. Number one is role of religions. Hinduism has a very central role in Balinese social life, whereas in Japan, although religion has an influence, the social structure is more based on cultural and Confucian values. Number two is social flexibility. Social mobility is in Bali is more limited than in Japan. And number three is orientation. Bali places more emphasis on traditional community and village, while in Japan focus more on work group and confinement. The fourth is cultural difference in cultural events between Bali and Japan. Number one is religions. Bali is more Hindu, while in Japan is influenced by Shinto and Buddhism. Number two is themes. Bali focus more on life cycles and religious rituals, while Japan is more diverse, covering celebration of nature, earphones, and local culture. The number 3 is participation. Bali includes the entire community, whereas in Japan, participation is more individual or small group. The last is difference in cultural etiquette between Bali and Japan. Number 1 is religions. Bali is more influenced by Hinduism, while Japan is influenced by Shinto and Buddhism. Number 2 is focus. Bali places more emphasis on the relationship between humans and the universe and spiritual values, while Japan places more emphasis on social hierarchy and politeness. Number 3 is expression. Balinese people tend to be more open in expressing emotion, while Japanese people tend to be more restrained. Okay, that's all our presentation about different culture between Bali and Japan. So, bye bye guys. See you next video.